Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ifani Ramadhani. In this occasion, I want to tell about the conclusion of the lesson 27, 28, and 35. Okay, first I will explain lesson 27 about items involving parallel structure. First, we must know what is parallel structure. Parallel structure is a few words, phrases, or clauses that have to be the same whether it's part of speech or the pattern. For example, we can see in the book, she spends her leisure time hiking, camping, and fishing. Hiking, camping, and fishing are parallel. There are three gerunds. Next I will explain lesson 28 about items involving misplaced modifiers. For the first, we must know about what is modifiers. Modifier is a word, a phrase, or clause that serves to explain the word, or phrase, or other clauses in the sentence. Or we can say modifier is explanatory. In this lesson, we only focus on modifier that function to explain the subject. And then in exercise 28, to answer the exercise, we don't need to read all sentence of each option, but just pay attention to the subject of each option. What and which subject is explained by the modifier. So the key for this lesson is we must understand the meaning of the modifier to be able to determine the exact subject that is explained by modifier. Okay, the next is lesson 35 about errors with parallel structure. In lesson 27, we have already known what is parallel structure, right? Or I can repeat, parallel structure is a few words, phrases, or clauses that have to be the same whether it's part of speech or the pattern. So the key in lesson 35, the key in errors with the parallel structure is understanding the part of speech. So we must know about the part of speech. And then in these lessons, there is confusing questions, like question number 3. They have nature, human behavior, society, and reality. As we know, nature is noun, human behavior is noun plus adjective, society is noun, and reality is noun. We can say this is parallel because they have noun. In parallels are only looking at the head. For example, like human behavior, noun plus adjective. The head is noun, so the other word is noun. So we can say it is parallels. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.